So today is day 20 of my 30-day YouTube challenge. I posted on YouTube for 20 days straight, but I thought I'd do something a little bit different today. I thought I'd do like a POV vlog, sharing 3 things that I've learned after posting on YouTube for 20 days straight. And I'd also thought I'd share a little bit of insight as to what it's like being a father whilst building a 6-figure business on YouTube. So let's go. So yeah, Kingy's got a match this morning. It's an early one. We've got to be there for 8:30, but we're excited today, aren't we, Kingy? It's going to be a positive day. And, you know, it doesn't matter whether we win or lose. It's all about being positive and doing our best. So yeah, we're going to be going to Kingy's match today. So I'm going to be sharing my 3 tips that I learned after posting on YouTube for 20 days straight. And I'm also going to be reacting to Kingy's match as well. So let's go. So just before the football game starts, I just want to talk about 3 things that I've learned after posting on YouTube for 20 days straight. Number 1 is views don't matter. You know, when it comes to posting content on YouTube, you know, you can't stay fixated on views. You know, as long as you keep posting, you know, your views are going to go up and up and up over time. But a lot of your videos won't get views. Not all of your videos are going to get views. And this is a fact for all creators of all levels. If you're an experienced creator or you're new, not all of your videos will get views. So, and this is something you can't control. So really, you just need to focus on the videos that you want to create instead of fixating on views. And with this channel as well, it's all about, you know, creating content that is valuable, but also that aligns with my lifestyle. And sometimes, just like today, I'm posting a POV vlog like this. Not all videos are going to get views, but it's not just about the views. It's about being able to create content consistently that aligns with my lifestyle whilst giving value to people at the same time. So again, I'm not always fixated and focused on views. And as a creator, you should think the same way. And this is what I've learned in this past 20 days posting on YouTube. I have got views consistently and I do keep getting more views over time, but I don't focus on views on a daily basis, you know, because it's not important. It's all about just posting the content that I want to post that aligns with my lifestyle. The second thing that I've learned is less scripting and more substance. So again, obviously, because I'm doing a 30-day challenge, I had to find a way that allowed me to create content consistently and sustainably without burning out. So one method that I've been using is not scripting my videos. Maybe I'll script the intro of a video, but when it comes to the actual bulk of the content, I just speak from a place of experience and my own skills and things that I know. So I don't have to script it because I already know exactly what I'm going to say in my mind just by speaking from experience and speaking about topics that I already understand. And, you know, this is something that you can implement as well. You don't have to be highly skilled and experienced in a topic. Just for example, you might start a YouTube channel about dropshipping, but your dropshipping journey is not going so well. Now, if you wanted to make a video about this, you wouldn't have to script it. You could literally just make the video speaking from your experience, speaking from things that are really happening, and just telling the truth and being honest and being authentic. And by doing this, by speaking from a place of honesty and just being genuine, you don't have to script videos like this. You can just be yourself and share value, share your experiences, and just speak from your mind. Be yourself. And again, this is something that I've learned in the past 20 days posting on YouTube, is just focusing on things that I know, things that I understand. This way I can just create content consistently without having to script videos. And another thing as well, I don't like scripting videos. In the past, I found that when I script videos, I sound too robotic, and you can tell a lot of my videos that were scripted. I'm like looking at the camera, sort of reading off a script. I'm just stiff. There's no emotion. There's no real character coming out. So really, I don't like that. I want to be able to connect with my audience and be myself and show my personality. And the only way to do this is by just freestyling off the top with no script and just speaking from your mind. And that's exactly what I've been doing on this channel. So it's been great because I've been allowed to show my personality, but also it's allowed me to stay consistent and post content every single day without preparation. The third thing I've learned is go with the flow. Now, you know, as being a father and, you know, also trying to run an online business and a YouTube channel as well, sometimes when you try and force things to work out, you just make it harder on yourself and it doesn't work. And, you know, recently I've been listening to a lot of different content about, you know, positive affirmations and mindset and stuff like that. And one of the teachers that I've been listening to is a man called Neville Goddard. And he speaks about manifestation and affirmations. And he also talks about following the path of least resistance. If you want to be successful, follow the path of least resistance and follow the natural flow of things, because you can't really change reality when you try and force it. You can change reality in your mind, but when you try and physically force things to work out, they don't just work out, you just make it 10 times harder. So instead, just let go, follow the natural flow of things, and just live your life and allow your journey to play out naturally according to reality and the way that things are. And this is something that I've been doing on this channel. You know, again, today I'm taking my son to his football match, but I'm also making a video at the same time. And I'm not overthinking it. I could have done my video in my office and then came to the football match, then gone home and then edited the video. But instead, I'm blending it all together. I'm following the natural path of reality. I'm following the path of least resistance and just letting everything be as it is. I'm filming my video. My son's playing his football game just over the road there. And I'm just sat in the car filming this video. I'm just letting things play out naturally without forcing it and without overthinking it and complicating the situation. And again, this has really helped me to stay consistent because I've just allowed things to happen. If I get an idea, I don't overthink it, I just make it. I don't worry about views, I don't worry about scripting a video, I don't worry about if people are gonna like it or not, I don't worry about if I'm gonna look good on camera or if the background's a little bit scruffy or if I'm not wearing the best clothes or if there's people talking around me. That doesn't matter. As long as I'm making the video and I'm sharing some form of value, that's all that matters. And that's really what has allowed me to stay consistent over the last 20 days. But anyway, those are the 3 key things that I've learned in the last 20 days after posting consistently on YouTube. And now I'm going to go and watch my son's football game.
Tracy down, Kingston!
Steady, Sue, that's your side! Come on, Ryan! Come on!
So it's half time, guys. We're currently winning 2-0. It's 2-0 so far. Let's just hope they can keep the lead and they don't lose it.
Shoot! Shoot!
Don't get that ball!
So that's it, guys. It was a good game. The boys won 6-0, which makes a nice change. And yeah, they all played well. Kingston played well in defence. They won 6-0.
No, Dad, we won 7-0.
Oh, they won 7-0. My mistake. But yeah, they played well. Kingy played well in defence. Passed it well. Fantastic game today. They passed it really well. And it's nice and sunny as well this morning. It's usually like cold, but it's starting to warm up a little bit here in the UK. So yeah, it went very well. And I said that this morning to Leanne yesterday. When they play early games, they always win well. I mean, they always win when they play early because they're just that kind of team that perform well in the morning. But yeah, it's been a good morning. Now we're off to soccer school with Romeo so he can try his chances at scoring some goals. But yeah, we're off, guys. And that's it for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I might do some more POV vlogs like this in the future.
Oh, Dad.
On the weekends and stuff.
Why didn't we film Romeo at soccer school?
Yeah, I might film Romeo at soccer school as well. Hey. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this vlog, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you tomorrow.